Thinking about switching to Monzo but don't know where to start? Maybe you've already got a Monzo account but you're wondering if you're using the right one for your needs. Well, Monzo is more than just a personal current account. They've got a whole suite of options designed for different life stages and financial goals. From managing your daily spending to handling business finances, there's a Monzo account for that. Let's break them down, starting with the one you probably know best, the personal account. This is the classic Monzo experience. It's where you get that iconic hot coral card, instant spending notifications, and the ability to set up pots to separate your money for different purposes, like a holiday fund or a bills pot. The personal account is your everyday money hub, helping you budget with smart insights and tracking. Now, what if you're managing money with someone else? That's where the joint account comes in. It's a completely separate account from your personal one, designed for shared finances. Think household bills, rent, or a shared savings goal. Both of you get a card and full visibility, making it super easy to track who spent what and when. You can even set up shared pots to save for that big purchase together. The best part? You both need a personal Monzo account first, and then you can set up the joint account right in the app. For all you entrepreneurs out there, Monzo also offers a business account. This is for sole traders or limited company directors. It's all about keeping your business finances separate from your personal money. You get tools like automatic tax pots to set aside money for HMRC, integrated accounting software, and even the ability to create and send invoices. They offer a free light plan with all the essentials, or a pro plan with more advanced features for a monthly fee. And finally, if you're looking to supercharge your personal account, you can upgrade to a Monzo plan. They used to have Plus and Premium, but they've now been replaced with new plans like Extra, Perks, and Max. These paid subscriptions give you things like virtual cards for better budgeting, higher interest rates on savings, phone and travel insurance, and even exclusive perks like weekly treats or an annual rail card. So, whether you're a single user, a couple, a business owner, or someone who wants to get more from their banking, Monzo has an account designed to fit your needs. You can open any of these accounts right from the app in minutes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.